you need to find images for a project, there are a few places you could turn to. You could go to Google Images. This is a resource a lot of us probably already use to find images in everyday life. But when you're searching in Google Images, it's a good idea to use the search tools to make sure that you're using the images you find ethically. The usage rights filter helps you find images that the creator is allowing to be used under something called a Creative Commons license. Creative Commons is a way for creators to allow others to use, change, and remix the images they've made. By searching for images that have a Creative Commons license and using and citing them appropriately, you can be sure that you are finding and using images ethically. In the usage rights filter, you'll see a few options. Labeled for reuse with modification means that the images you'll find can be reused in a range of circumstances, both commercially, such as for business purposes, and non-commercially, like for a school project. You're also allowed to modify or change the images as you like under this license. Labeled for reuse means that you can reuse the image both commercially and non-commercially, but cannot make changes to it. The last two options deal with the commercial nature of the use. If something has been labeled for reuse or labeled for reuse with modification non-commercially, this means you could use these images only in circumstances where you aren't trying to make money. Choosing any of these options will take you to images that meet that usage criteria. There are a number of other places you could search for images that are licensed for use under Creative Commons. One place is Wikimedia Commons. This site contains millions of images and other media that can be freely used. Flickr is another popular site for finding images. Their search also contains filters for the type of usage the creator has allowed. Regardless of where you find your images, be sure to always cite them appropriately.